Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before Santri, how are you today? So today we meet again at Fiqih Ibadah class with Pak Yasfi, and now we will talk about Shiyam. Yeah. Here I will share my screen so you can see clearly what is that. So what is Shiyam? Shiyam comes from Arabic word that is soma yasumu siyaman. So it means refrain. Refrain from what? Refrain from eating, drinking, and anything can break our Shiyam. From dawn, from fajar, yeah, to sunset or maghrib with special intention. And that is nawaitu soma godin an ada ifardi syahri ramadana hadis sanati fardalillahi ta'ala, or based on that's for Ramadan, and another niat based on the Siyam, yeah. And then Pak Yasvi, when you say that Siyam comes from dawn until until Maghrib, but why when we were kid, our parent asked us to do Siyam from morning, and then Duhur we can iftar, and then after Duhur we can Siyam again. So actually that to make us used to do Siyam. So that's still trial for Siam. No, that's not the real Siam, yeah. So the real Siam from Fajar until Maghrib. That's just to make us used to do Siam. And then, so what is syarat wajib of for doing Siam? Syarat wajib means if you meet this requirement, so you have to do Siam. The first is Islam, and then balik, and then have a sense or can think, can make difference between which one is good, which one is bad, which one is true, which one is false, and so on. Yeah. So what if there is crazy people, Pak Yasvi? So that's not wajib for them. Yeah, that's not wajib for them for doing siam. And then rukun of siam or the pillars of siam. That's only two. The first is niat, doing niat. Uh, the niat is start from a night before entering the time of imsak. Yeah, start from the night until imsak. And then the second rukun is refrain from eating, drinking, and other things that can break our siam. Okay, and then what are the things can break our siam? Okay, it means yang membatalkan, right? Okay, what thing can cancel our siam, can make our siam batal? And the first is put something in open hole of our body, yeah, like mouth and then nose, yeah. That's why eating and drinking can make our siam batal, yeah, because we put something from outside inside our mouth, our nose, or our nose. And then ears, also there is a hole, right? And also genitals and also anus. Okay, so if something comes inside uh, at the hole that I've mentioned before, so it can make our siam batal. Of course, if unintentionally, that's no problem. And then vomit on purpose. So if unintentionally, uh, not make our siam break, yeah. But if we put our finger and then uh, make us vomit, so it makes our siam batal. And then husband and wife who engage in sexual activity, and then intentionally out of sperm, and then menstruation, that is the blood that comes from a woman every month uh, based on the period. And then nifas, this is also for women. Nifas is blood that comes from the woman after giving a birth, yeah? And then what else? Loss of sense or crazy, yeah, like I said before. And then murtad, that is out of Islam. Okay, let's talk about the hukum of Siam. So actually there is two kind of hukum of Siam. The first is wajib, the second is sunnah. Okay, if you can see there, the first is wajib, that is Ramadan, and then nadar. What is nadar? So nadar is siam that we make because we make the promise to Allah. For example, Ya Allah, if tomorrow I get uh, score 100, so I will do Siyam. It means you make the promise to Allah. So you have to do that Siyam because this is wajib. And then kodok means Siyam that we do because we one or two or some of our Ramadan Siyam is broken. And then what kind of Siyam that is Sunnah? The first is Monday and Thursday, or we call that as Senin Kemis. And then Siyam of Nabi Dawud, that is uh, first day Siyam, second day of, third day Siyam, fourth day off, and so on. Yeah, Siyam not, Siyam not, Siyam not. That's Siyam of Nabi Dawud. And then Siyam of Arafah, or 9 of Dhul Hijjah. Siyam of Tarwiyah, or 8 of Dhul Hijjah. And then fasting of Tashua, that is 9 of Muharram. Siyam of Shura, that is 10 of Shura. And then Ayyamul Bid. Ayyamul Bid is the half of the month for Hijriyah month. Yeah, every month that is Ayyamul Bid, and so on. And then, Pak Yaswi, you said that that is only two kind of hukum of Siyam, but why there is also haram? Yeah, there is also the time that we cannot do Siyam. Yeah, or we call that as haram. The first is Idul Fitri, yeah, and the second is Idul Adha. So yeah, even though that is Monday, for example, and then Pak, I will do puasa Senin in Idul Fitri. No, you cannot do that because that is haram, yeah. And then at Yaumu Tashrik, yeah? Tashrik means the day after Idul Adha, that is 11, 12, and 13 of Dhul Hijjah. So we cannot do Siyam at that day. Yeah, let's continue. Yeah, then I know you have memorized it. Okay, Niat of Siyam, nawaitu sawma ghadin an ada'i fardhi syahri Ramadani hadis sanati fardhan lillahi ta'ala. But this is niat special for Siyam of Ramadan. And then doa after iftar, you also have memorized it, right? Allahumma laka sumtu wa bika amantu wa ala rizqika aftartu birahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. So that's our material for today, and yeah, this is the last. Okay, after we learn about the content and also the theory about Siam, I need you to do this. Yeah, this is case analysis. Uh, you can read the, the assignment here, and after this we can you can submit your answer in our Google Classroom. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much, everyone. I think this is not really hard question because this is based on analysis, and I have actually explained about this all. Yeah. You just need to answer it and submit it on our Google Classroom. Thank you very much, everyone. Allahumma fiqh ila aqwamit thariq. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.